Facebook Messenger not sending messages, problem fixed. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps. When you open the apps manager right here, you will find the apps that you have on your phone. Go to the search bar right here and search for Messenger like this. Click on it, click on force stop, and then go to the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it, and then go to the Wi-Fi and do the same thing, disable it and enable it. So that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.